Yeah.
Yo, I go on people.
Go on.
Long time, I know say long time I request a long time I see.
Long time I not see.
Yeah. And the last time we run a little prank, I know say I know when I dying to see something else from me. You see me I say? But here what happened? You have a little prank on chocolate and vanilla today. See?
Yeah man, I got shot. That prank I got shot over man. Slap way. Yeah, you what going on now? Alright, then I expect some boy, you know. We'll do a game night tonight, you know. Yeah. But we don't do no game night. We'll stop the camera sitting so then now go suspect the camera because I expect say we'll do one thing. You see me I say in the evening now tonight then I expect that. So we can have the camera in full view and then I go know what go on. But really it's a prank we have set up on chocolate and vanilla. Yeah. So
you have a prank them with. We go from what they were do some refurbishing for the bathroom them and you know buy some stuff. So you go on like say me have $1,000 in the wallet here. If you go at Home Depot go buy some stuff. Then they go plenty in a van I always left a bag over there so I do plant the wallet down the bottom of the bag.
yeah man.
So when they come and ready for the game that thing, I go on like say I want to show him something out of my wallet but I can't find my wallet. So at this we'll kick out now I say one wallet and re and you know?
Yeah man, this is the shut up man. Yo, when I do all this, but I go react to my car. I go down for an hour man, but take sided my car.
It's a wicked
yeah, so
you can't imagine you kill somebody with teeth.
Yeah. We know say why we know it don't work out after this prank you see we.
And a long time.
With the on board with this here we still. That's what I say. And then now go players need get it car. Guess what I'm real do some things to you. The house, so they know say things are going on so they not go really suspect it.
So you are going to plant this and then we'll call him and kick it off and listen. Can we show you where? Try to bag of vanilla. It's vanilla bag here. So you are ready. Put it on the bottom part. Put it on the bottom.
Yeah. Well, plant. I plant evidence.
Then I go right.
Yeah, probably never talk to me.
I talk to you, but then you take the entire.
I'm planting evidence. Yeah.
I'll put it back.
Yeah. Anytime you come here, we look for a bag or something. See your place, right?
They like a block loose and then come in here.
Yeah, I'm cold now.
I believe in love. I believe in unity. I believe in friendship. I believe in you and me. No matter what the color of your skin may be, I believe in us. I believe in us. I believe in us.
Yeah.
How you look at now?
Well, I'm zoom it in a little bit.
Yeah, man, yeah, so we have to kick off here now. We're trying to get them right or so. It's just, we'll get them right or so. And then, the most you camera everything about it now, I'm going to know that I think about it. And I expect something. So then now I'm going to know. Oh, me look, me not full.
Yeah, man, you're good. You get it, everything.
I'm good?
Hey. Yeah, man. Camera ready. Think I let that drink. This I got funny. Trust me.
I
Because you're speaking to the bar here, and I know it's bad.
Yeah, I'm going to see me on the other side and I'm going to work.
I call it.
Yeah, hold on. Alright, you're the feet now.
But I call it. I tell you, they're ready.
When was it?
I get drunk in my mouth together. Yeah, man. We're not gonna love that one. Trust me.
Hello, guys.
I know you use something when they accuse somebody of stealing. You want to come?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I want to wear wait for them.
Yeah, but they are going to sit for me.
For a little Guinness and...
Guinness and Nasi Red
Bull.
Bull. Nasi the Red Bull.
I can keep that.
Can't keep that at the other shit.
What's wrong with Guinness and Red Bull?
Imitation.
You know, taste but the taste bad.
Yo, it's a man thing.
It's an acquired taste.
A quiet taste. You know,
I don't want to acquire that
A man
taste.
thing, yes, man.
I don't want to acquire that taste.
Yeah, I have a man beat him Guinness all in a man. Yeah.
what kind of game? A challenge?
You know, challenge thing, you know, wireless I will.
Whatever.
Let's set up the
I
camera.
like it.
Yeah, come on, come on.
Just then already we just run it, you know?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Just line it up and make it go and make it stay.
Yeah, but
But then I run it.
Oh.
So what game about?
Wait.
What do I?
You just remember? Let me get this out of the way first. You know, hey,
They never ready, so what they call me for?
no man, no man, we just I remember saying, listen there, if you call this umbrella, I'm making know where I go. Hey, we're going to Home Depot today, see? I'm in a look and
I'm still them such about one
I'm chatting, man.
you still got the gear, man.
Yeah, man. Me that check, this is the thing that one we look on for putting in a bathroom. Yeah. So me that talk to the umbrella and give me some price. And we put it on my wallet. We just want to run through. We just want to run through this, man, before we start again.
Man, what call we in for?
You couldn't tell me why you tell us they were ready for it.
2 seconds. 2 seconds, man.
Just start put a little thing out.
Yeah.
Get your time with
You're at it.
I know some so I go left to you, man. Come on, tell us.
Wallet here saying
Cut the street and come back.
You see my wallet?
You always left your wallet over there, so
No, me always-
but then again, you always careless with your wallet.
You sure you live in the car?
Yeah, probably left it, probably left it.
Probably in the
You
car.
always left your wallet all go. Sometimes I find you out in a garage.
No, man, you like care, I'm not telling you, man, trust me.
Oh, comes it?
Because you there, so you there,
Yeah, let's put up left
Yeah, we there right there, so look on it, so no, me don't left you like care.
When was that?
They really acting them, man. About an hour
I
or
don't
so.
pay my mind, because he always on the phone wallet all about. So the
I almost had to give you a wallet.
Hey, hold on, man. A serious thing this time, you know, because I work for money in my wallet in the sky.
but where you walk with money in your wallet for?
You don't money because I want to be able to buy things, because I don't want to use the card. Because anytime I go with the card, I always tend to overspend.
So if you have money in your wallet, you will
Why
be
you don't put it down?
extra careless.
You know my house?
So but if you put it in your house, it must in your house.
Right, so where is it?
No, go hide in wallet. I normally not hide in wallet. The wallet all is there, man.
Me not help my good fee wallet, man. Cause him too careless every time in left it all
I
out.
don't want to take on the wallet.
Who fit take up your damn wallet? What we want your wallet for? Why did they take up your wallet?
Where you put it?
Yeah?
Where you put it?
Right, just buy someone.
Then it must be over there then. If that's where you put it.
You know what is there.
Me not help him, cause trust me.
No, you know what's for real.
For real what?
Put the wallet, left the wallet, left the shoes.
So if you put your wallet there,
Then it must be there.
which part it gonna go? You not
In
get
a,
it just walk?
in a girl legs and walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we want to live there.
You check in our bedroom?
Look, I tell you something, you know, in our bedroom, I know me cut up right there so the wallet told me I look on this. And we put it on me.
Remember for sure.
This is one time, I'm sure. Yeah.
We know it's a man who left in thing.
This is one time, so I'm sure, so I left it right there.
He
So.
left it there.
You know, this is our wallet, this one.
No, I wasn't paying attention to your wallet.
But
I don't want the one that let's come right there, so still.
So what we're going to do about it if he
I'll
just...
put your bag there, so.
So apparently he grow like and walk out, he wallet tired, he wallet tired of you.
Why if you take your bag?
You sure it's not in your
Why if you
pocket?
mistakenly put it in your bag or something?
Me mistakenly put in your bag? In my bag, what made a mistake, or me for mistake your wallet put in my bag?
You sure it's not in your pocket?
the pocket.
You didn't have the pocket, if you didn't have the pocket, I'll go from the pocket right now.
I'm not joking, I'm serious. I'm serious.
Because
That's a joke.
you know, because when you talk, say, I can't know better one laugh, right? That foolishness and like that. Look, man, no search everybody wearing that box stuff.
No going in my bag, no wallet in
No
my
search
bag.
in my wallet.
No wallet in your bag. In my bag. What did I do with your wallet?
Alright.
You're not guilty.
Me no say me never take it,
So
so.
I'm not selling teeth, you do my mistake. You see what I say?
Me no say me never take it, so.
Maybe,
Don't bring my wallet. Don't bring my
I'm
bag.
not in my bag. I peer crapping on my bag. What if a receipt and sanitizer and sitting in
Oh, put this in here.
I must have put it in there.
Oh,
I
put
must
that
have
in
put it
here.
in there. And you put it
Yeah,
in.
no one wallet.
When me I
Put it away.
when me
You're
I
a
put me?
motherfucker.
No, we don't know.
Oh, put it in there.
I must
When
my
me I put my wallet in your bag?
Somebody must have joke and put in her bag.
Me never take it.
Yeah, somebody must put in your bag.
Hey.
Where you from? Where my
Look, man.
No, but
Me know, hey, Brenda.
No, this is
Hold on.
No,
Me no put no wallet, you know, so me no put no wallet in your bag.
Be serious.
Me no put no wallet in your bag, you know.
Me never put your wallet in my bag
Me no put,
neither.
so how you reach in there?
Me don't know.
He walk in there cause me no
Walk
Brenda
in
now
there.
put in.
Me never put it in there.
She said that. How you wallet if you walk go in your bag?
Well, I wanna put it in there.
Me no put no wallet.
And I mean put it in there.
Why me no put your wallet in your Brenda bag?
Me no know, but me know say I know she. Cause
Yeah,
me
like
and her
You're
go out in the garage.
you know say she. How you know say she?
Because me know say that she, why would she want
Why
to
would they pull on
So
you?
why would I want to
I
set
wanna
her up?
ask you.
Why you
So why
you're
you
jumping on the movie inside, oh me know?
I've been
Your
around
wife,
you
you know
for
what's
20
more such a
I've been
item?
around you for 27 years. Have I ever taken anything from you? No. Never keyed to your
We
house.
can't ask no.
Never keyed to your house.
Yeah, but Brenda me know say me no put it in your
Me no
bag.
believe it, Brenda.
I ever keyed to your house. When
No,
you
no,
go
no, no,
on vacation, who come in here? Me.
I'm
But
to
me
check on your
but
house.
me no put it in your bag.
Me never put it in my bag neither.
No, but yeah, say, oh, me not different now. But it's in come out our bag.
But when I must somebody put it in there.
What me say?
Who put it in there? And you put it in there?
No. I
And you
don't
put
I
it
never
in there?
put it in there
I
neither.
mean no say no me put it in there.
So what y'all say?
So how
I
you
mean?
reach in there?
So what y'all say? I
No,
mean?
but just say if none of we no put in there, how you reach in there? You want to can't walk.
Somehow somebody put it in there.
Yeah, of course.
Somebody on a must on a love joke and say no
Of
some
course, you have a
must.
tap list, kind of friend. You see me, I say.
Me not tap listen to my friend.
You know, look on the seriousness side things, there.
Why serious? When you try to give you the money?
Me not saying, but all while it's in our bag.
Well, me don't know all reach in our back, but me not
I
believe
didn't
say
put it in
she
there.
not trying to thief your money. Me not believe that. That not gonna happen.
Well, it fuck man, you know say.
Sorry.
You don't even know if it's tell the truth.
So you
What do you mean
believe
you don't know if it's me?
You believe
What must I
No, but the
do?
evidence there.
Tell me
You
something.
believe
No
me? You
evidence.
believe
Which
me?
one?
You believe I put the wallet in my
Find out,
bag?
you know, no matter believe or believe not. It will come out of your bag.
It come out and back, but why if you say you about put it in there?
No, man. You know, bring the bomb with this and zip it and put it in there by mistake.
Things happen. Things
Really?
happen.
You what I say?
Things
I
happen.
You hear what you say? You hear what you say? You hear what you say?
What me I say? Me I say
So
me
you
know
feel
she not
like,
thief your
so you feel
money.
like say, me take up my wallet and unzip my bag and put the wallet in there.
Things happen.
That's what we are
You
trying
do
to say.
things and you not pay attention.
See
You put
what
the
I
orange.
think-
You put the orange
See your
juice.
wallet there.
So you put it.
Yeah, but wallet, yes, but this is
Me
beside the
see
point.
you. Me see you
This is beside the
already.
point.
Me see you already. Me see you already. Take orange juice and put up in my cupboard when it's supposed to go in my fridge. So maybe I
I'm
don't
gonna take the
happen.
wallet and unzip Brenda bag. and
Somebody
put it in there.
did. Somebody did,
Me
but me
never
not
put
think
my
of. Somebody did, but me not think of she.
Yeah, why you up on fear side?
Me not dep on nobody's
Yeah,
side.
of course
Me
not
not dep on
side.
nobody's. Me not dep on nobody's side. Listen.
Brenda, you don't know where you are, man.
Listen, me not dep on nobody's side, but me know.
But I say I'm not Brenda agree.
But listen to me, no man. Me say me not dep on nobody's side. I me not choose between you and my best friend. Me not do that. But me just talk
Yeah,
from
but
what.
that
But
is
listen,
exactly what I
me don't talk. Me just a say. Me know she's not a thief. Before she thief, she da ask me. She have a key to her house. She hung thousands of dollars to us. Why the hell would she want to take your money?
Alright. You see one said maybe make a mistake and put in her bag. Why she can't make a mistake and put in her
Because
bag?
me and her, she come and me and her keep
Then you talk about you depend my side, you know depend nobody's side.
Because me not see her.
Clearly you depend fear
Me not
side.
depend on her side. But me know so she not put it.
Why would I do that? Why would I do
Can't
that?
believe you at all.
Why would I do that?
Why you don't want to do
Yeah,
that?
you sure you don't make mistake and put in there?
Why would I put your wallet in my
You
bag?
don't make mistake and
You
put in
know,
there?
you're yourself like that.
No.
I know you're not thief.
But keep back up with that theory, say,
Keep back up with
And
the
you
seal.
can't believe that
Keep
you
back
would
up.
have feel saying
Keep
you
back
do
up with the
something
seal.
like that.
I don't know what feel, but I'm feeling defender, what me say, and this come out of your mouth. I mean,
Everybody there see
Well,
something.
Well, it's so like you're on your brother's
It
side.
sound like
It's the same way you're on your friend's side.
Me not depend on nobody's side. Me a talk about what me know for years.
What?
You talk about what me know for
Because you
years.
talk about say,
That's what me
you
know
talk
for
about oh
years.
you make mistake and put orange juice up in the snack and I say.
Right, me see your
And
mistake.
you say,
Me never see
You
she
never
take
see her
orange.
mistake.
Me never see she take orange.
so you use the one orange juice. You always the one orange
I'm
juice
not just
incident
one
and
orange
crucify me.
juice, Michael. Me not crucify you. But me see you misplace things all the time.
Look man, clearly you're on Brenda's side.
Me not dep on our side. Me not dep on our side. But me know say she not take your wallet. And she not take your wallet.
No, you know what? I'm just gonna go home because I'm not gonna stay somewhere where I can't be trusted.
Don't freaking go home,
Never
Brenda.
walk.
Don't go home. Don't
Never
go
walk.
home.
Give me
No,
the key.
sit down.
Wait.
Don't leave. No, she not. No. No, she not. No.
Never walk.
Don't go home. No. Don't
If
go
I can't
home.
be trusted and I'm being accused of stealing something.
I trust you. I'm sure Michael trusts you. A foolishness. A foolishness.
But if you make a mistake,
Don't fucking cry. Don't cry. Don't fucking. You see, she fucking cry. Get away, stupid ass.
yeah, man.
Don't cry.
Yo. I don't want you there.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Get away.
It's not a prank.
Get away.
Come on, the whole time.
I don't want to be in a fucking camera. I'm not playing a game. I'm not
Oh, I don't think you. I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
How can you do that to me?
That's good, man.
Contact it up for me.
Yeah, we get to the man. That's like bad planker.
Contact it up.
Oh man, we get them good.
Yeah. Real good.
King of Franks.
Right here.
King of Franks.
We know what I feel how we are.
Hey, look man, I'm sorry man. Trust me, my name on it's a joke man. That's cool man. I apologize. We make it up to them.
You don't even defend me.
Because we couldn't defend you.
That's not
We want to defend us still.
Look man, if I don't have prank on the man, so we don't have to play it off man. Eh?
I'm tough up myself.
No, tell me, was it a good one? Was it a good one or not?
It was a
It
good
was a
one.
good
Alright.
I was ready to smack you. Like, there's no way she ever take your freaking
Was seriously man, yo, you need to dip on my side more time. You're not defend your husband at all.
I know my friend and not
Eh?
That's what I know. I know she not take with money.
You never do that.
Never. Yeah. You never believe that one.
We know that you know. We know that you know. That's why it was such a good prank.
I'm like, what the hell wrong with him?
I will say, yo, we have to play off that one because it's hard for you to accuse Brenda of stealing.
Oh my God. And I just start crying. I'm like, oh my
You
God.
can't believe she cried. Yeah, when she started crying, yo, when she started crying to her artist, Prima told me, say, stop it. You couldn't tell no more at all. How was that going?
They got us, guys. That was a good one.
They got me.
Yeah, that was good. Now I'm going to dip on the lookout, trust me.
Alright.
Me, them sneaky. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, guys, remember to like, subscribe, turn on that notification, share. And I hope you guys actually laugh off away. Yeah, we deserve laughing.
You deserve that laughing, yeah. And they got us good.
They got us real good. Yes.
Oh.
Bye, guys.
Bye.